Hi, and welcome to Let's Bake and Cook Stuff. Today I'm making lentil soup. Has anyone else made a decision to start to eat a little healthier for the new year? This is a great way to do that. There's nothing in here that's not good for you. If you are cutting back on your sodium, if you wanted to use water instead of broth, it won't, have obviously the same flavor, but it'll still be good. We're going to start off at a medium-high heat. And I have between 1 and 2 tablespoons of olive oil in here, but you can use any vegetable oil. This is 1 medium onion, finely chopped. 2 to 3 celery ribs, also finely chopped. This is 3 carrots. I normally use 2, but I wanted to use an extra one today. And this is also something I don't normally put in there, a green bell pepper. And I chopped it, and then I put 2 serrano chili peppers. Optional. So both of those items are optional, but they're just going to add some extra flavor, add some extra nutrition. I'm always tossing extra vegetables in everything. So, okay, we're going to cook this for about 5 minutes. Let this stuff get softened, and then we're going to come back and add the rest of the ingredients. These have softened up a bit. I just want to add in our garlic. It's about 5 cloves of garlic. Normal people would probably put 2 or 3, but I'm put 5. I like a lot of garlic, you know that. Then for our seasonings, I'm putting in 2 bay leaves, a teaspoon of salt, 3/4 of a teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of cumin, ground cumin, a teaspoon of ground coriander, and 2 teaspoons of dried thyme leaves. Okay, we're going to let that go another couple of minutes and we'll be back. Okay, I just tasted one of the carrots and this is really nice and softened. I'm adding 4 cups of vegetable broth. We're going to turn this on high now. 1 28-ounce can of, this is diced tomatoes. 1 cup of white wine, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 1 pound of lentils. These have been looked over and rinsed. I do always look them over. Only one time have I found anything in there, and it was a little tiny rock, and if someone would have bit into that, it would have hurt. So I always check them, but literally out of 50 times I've made lentil soup or used lentils, I've only found one thing in, but it's that one time that you're not going to look, and that's when it's going to be in there. So we're going to cook that up. This is 2 medium potatoes diced. I did peel them, but you don't have to do that. We're going to get this on high. We're going to get this to boiling. Once this gets to boiling, you can do one of 2 things. Put it in your crock pot and let it cook for 8 hours, or if you want to do this the night before, if you're going to do this Sunday evening for a Meatless Monday dinner, you can put them in, just make this up the night before, then stick in your crock pot in the morning, and then when you come home for dinner after work, then you'll have some soup. But we're just doing it in this pot today, and we're going to bring this to a boil and let it simmer. Okay, soup is done. It's all cooked. You could eat it like this, and it would be fantastic. Make sure you remove your bay leaves. There's 2 of them in here. I'm going to put about half of it into this blender and puree it a little bit. There's the other bay leaf. You could, of course, accomplish that with an immersion blender as well if you have one. I'm just doing it in the blender. And there you have it, lentil soup. Full of protein, full of veggies. You could top this with some cilantro leaves, some cheese, some oyster crackers, whatever you're into. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching.